Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain MindBody Business App review to save with what you're using. MindBody Business is a powerful platform designed for health, wellness and fitness businesses like yoga studio, salons and a spa central to manage their operation all in one place. It lets you handle class schedules, membership payment, client profiles and even marketing campaigns directly from your phone. The app also integrates a point of sales, automated a confirmation, and a details report, making it a convenient tool to streamline day-by-day tasks and keep your businesses organized. It's especially helpful for businesses that need to track a large number of appointments and a client efficiently. The main appeal of MindBody lies in its all-one approach, but it's not without its drawback. The pricing is quite steep, starting at about $129 per month and adding up quickly with an additional fee, and many small business owners say it's more than they need. Some find it slow, confusing, and prone to glitch. The customer service is frequently described as hard to reach or slow to respond. So while MindBody is a strong and a comprehensive platform for growing health and wellness business, it may be overkill for a small studio or independent provider who wants something more lightweight and affordable. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.